am going to talk about the differences between accounting and finance, duties and responsibilities according to the research that I have been doing. Due to similarities and overlap between the two fields, there is often confusion about definitions, duties, and responsibilities of accounting and finance jobs. Some people who are not as familiar with the details may misunderstand and think that both jobs have the same duties and responsibilities, but in fact, they are not the same. Even with their similarities, there are still many significant differences between accounting and finance jobs. Today, I will share with you 3 of the differences. Let me start from the first one, the definitions. Accounting and finance are both forms of managing money for businesses, but they are used for different purposes. Whereas accounting is defined as the art of recording. Defined as the art of recording and classifying and summarizing transactions in terms of money for the preparation of financial statements.
Sean, preparation or
Preparation.
Preparation of financial statements. Finance is involved in planning and budgeting, and will utilize the information provided by accounting for the analysis, identification, control, and planning for the future growth of the company. Accounting being the art of systematically recording day-to-day transactions, keeps track of the outflow and inflow of the money with regard to business operations, while finance is broader in terms of the management of assets and liabilities and profitability of a company. Now, let me move on to talk about the second difference, the competencies and responsibilities of accounting and finance. An accountant is an employee who specializes in rules-based accounting. She or he must understand the accounting principles and framework of their company. It is important for an accountant to have knowledge of related laws and regulations in order to ensure that the numbers and accounts have been properly recorded in the financial statement reports. Importantly, in order to meet the qualifications as required under accounting law, an accountant must be a certified public accountant or CPA. An accountant is mainly responsible for the following: daily bookkeeping in the double entry accounting system and in the general ledger. Preparing subledger.
Preparing. Not preparing, but preparing.
Preparing subledgers for balance sheet accounts, bank statement reconciliation, payroll calculation, monitoring of the fixed asset register or FAR, physical inspection of plant, property and equipment or PPE, physical inspection and verification of inventory. Regarding the competencies and responsibilities of finance position, a finance officer is an employee who utilizes the financial recordings that have been entered into the system to analyze the recorded data in order to report the financial statement, the financial situation, and to identify the strengths and weaknesses at certain points in time. A finance officer is obligated to perform assessments, forecasts, and budgets of financial performance of a company. Last but not least, there are some differences in the career paths of accounting and finance. Accountants should be detail-oriented, technically minded, compliance-focused, and process-driven. Jobs on this career path include being an accountant, auditor, advisor, and/or tax consultant. On the other hand, finance officers should be strategic, forward-looking, analytical, decision-making focused, and be someone who is suitable to work in the fields of investment banking, venture capital, corporate strategy, treasury, and/or risk management. To sum up, even though financial managers and accountants both work in the same general field, they still have clearly different responsibilities. However, both financial managers and accountants work together to help ensure the security of their organization's financial data, keep spending in check, evaluate an organization's financial risks, prevent fraud and other financial misdeeds, as well as make recommendations for ways to cut costs, improve revenue, and boost profits. Boost profits. Okay, that's all for my presentation. I hope you found my topic today interesting and informative. Thank you.
Okay, good job. Well done.